Around every 40 seconds, a person dies, or you can just say that they commit suicide. And around 70% of them are teenagers, someone between 15 to 20 years old. Now, have you ever stopped for a while and thought that what could be the reason that led them to take their own life, to commit suicide? Have you ever thought why? Now, there could be many reasons for someone doing this, but in today's video, we're gonna talk about the main reasons which can lead someone, especially a teenager, to commit suicide. So, without wasting any more time, let's get started. Before starting the video, let me tell you that I also took opinions of two different people on this topic, and we are also gonna hear them out. So, make sure you watch the video till the end. Now, there could be different reasons for different persons committing suicide, and it's not necessary that everyone should have the same reason, because everyone has a different mind and they all have a different perspective. But the main reasons for someone committing suicide, according to me, are rejection in love and defeat in life. Now, when you love someone and you don't get the same thing in return and they betray you or they left you, it could be a reason for you to choose death over life. And in defeat, because we are taught like this, we think that if we fail, we cannot succeed again. Our minds are filled with this bullshit. So when someone fails, there is no one to tell them that if you fail, it doesn't mean you have to end your life. You can try again, you can get successful, you can succeed the next time you try. No one has ever taught them these things, so they don't know what to do. They only see one option in front of them, and that is suicide or death. Now, coming to the serious issues, which are actually some serious causes of suicides. It includes discrimination, like racism, physical appearance, on religion, discrimination based on religion, and some other things. And the second one is bullying. First, let's talk about discrimination. Now, discrimination is one of the main reasons for people committing suicide. Not the teenagers, even the more elder people. I just don't understand the mentality of people, that how could someone discriminate someone on the basis of their religion, on the basis of their skin color, their physical appearance. I mean, now if a kid bullies another kid due to just his skin color, it's not his fault. The fault is of his parents, because they never taught him the right thing. They never taught him the difference between what's good and what's bad. They never taught him that everyone is same. They never taught him that everyone should be loved. They never taught him that they shouldn't do this. Now, I'm not gonna go into the roots of this topic and talk about everything, because that's gonna make the video very long and boring, and no one's gonna watch that, so no point of making it. Now, let's talk about bullying. It can lead to anxiety and depressions, and which then can cause a person to take his own life. And you know what the worst part is? The worst part is no one is ready to talk about it. According to a report, around 90% students are victims of cyberbullying, but they are afraid to tell anyone, because they know that no one's gonna understand them, no one's gonna listen to them. Even their own parents are not gonna listen to them. And that's a fact. And to be very honest, it was not them who were weak. It was us who broke them and forced them to take their life. It was our fault that we never spoke about it. It was our fault that we let them die. And to conclude this video, I'm just gonna say that parents and schools, they should teach the kids the difference between right or wrong. They should listen to the kids properly. If they want to tell you something, please listen to them. Listen to your kids. If you are not gonna listen to them, no one's going to. Now let's hear what these two have to say about this topic. So here we go.
तो वैसे तो बहुत रीजंस हैं खुदकुशी के, पर मेजर रीजंस में से एक रीज़न ये है कि फैमिली प्रेशर एंड फैमिली प्रॉब्लम्स की वजह से सुसाइड टीन्स और एडल्ट्स में ज़्यादा है। फैमिली का प्रेशर करना और बच्चों को बहुत कामों से रोकना, जिसकी वजह से वो कमतर महसूस करते हैं और बाकी बच्चों से अपने आप को कंपेयर करते हैं, एक बड़ी रीज़न है सुसाइड की। मेनली ये जनरेशन गैप की वजह से है, जहाँ पेरेंट्स अपने बच्चों को समझ नहीं सकते हैं या पेरेंट्स में ही क्लैशेस होते हैं, जिसकी वजह से बच्चों पर असरात पड़ते हैं। सुकून इंसान की ज़िंदगी में उसके घर से ही शुरू होता है और अगर वहीं सुकून ना हो तो कहीं ना कहीं गड़बड़ होने लग जाती है। और इसी वजह से मोस्टली टीन्स घर के हालात देखकर और पेरेंट्स की केयर अटेंशन और मोहब्बत ना मिलने पर सुसाइड का शिकार होते हैं। और अगर एडल्ट्स को देखा जाए तो अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट की वजह से या कैरियर की टेंशन की वजह से लोग सुसाइड का शिकार होते हैं, क्योंकि उस स्टेज पे इंसान फाइनेंशियली इंडिपेंडेंट होना चाहता है और अपनी फैमिली को पालना चाहता है। पर अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट की वजह से मेनली एडल्ट्स में सुसाइड का रेशियो ज़्यादा है। या फिर कैरियर चूज़ करके कुछ लोगों को ये नहीं पता होता कि वो किस फील्ड में कैसे आगे बढ़ सकते हैं, जिसकी वजह से उनकी प्रोडक्टिविटी लेवल और सेल्फ एस्टीम लेवल कम हो जाती है, उनको अपने आप पर एतबार नहीं रहता और फ्यूचर की टेंशन लेते हुए सुसाइड का शिकार होते हैं। बाकी ये मेरा अपना ओपिनियन है, रिसर्च कुछ और भी कह सकती है, लेकिन मेरे ऑब्जर्वेशंस के मुताबिक यही कुछ मेजर रीजंस हैं जिसकी वजह से सुसाइड आम होती जा रही है।
According to me, suicide is a subject that is not often talked about. Suicide does not only affect adults, but as well as teenagers. But mostly it affects teenagers. So life as a teenager is not easy and it can be so hard. And some teenagers aren't able to handle the pressure. There are a variety of things that can lead a teenager to commit suicide, like depression. And some of the factors include domestic violence, financial problems, difficulty keeping up at school may also contribute to the teenage depression. This difficulty could be academic failure, the pressures of participating in extracurricular activities, and peer pressure to fit in with the majority. Every 2 hours and 11 minutes, a person under the age of 25 successfully commits suicide. And for every successful suicide, there are at least 50 to 200 attempts. However, to those who see suicide as an option, have lost all hope in any and everything. People don't think about the aftermaths and consequences of when they kill themselves, like what will happen to their family and friends and how many people you will destroy and leave in pain. It may seem like the best option at the time, but you can get through it if you choose to. Suicide is not an option. It may seem hard, but you can do it. You can be happy and you can escape this state of mind.
So this was it for today's video, and if you have some of your opinions that you wanna share with us, feel free to write them in the comment section down below, and I'll also put our social media handles in the description, so make sure to check them out. I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, stay happy.